Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado oil for hair. This natural oil is fantastic for nourishing your scalp and strands. You'll discover a simple, effective method to create your own at home. Get ready to transform your hair with this easy do-it-yourself project. We'll cover everything from selecting the perfect avocados to storing your finished oil. It's a rewarding process that yields a wonderful product for healthier, shinier hair. Gathering your supplies is the first simple step. You'll need about 3 to 5 very ripe avocados. The softer they are, the more oil you'll extract. A fork or a blender will help you mash the avocado flesh into a smooth paste. Also, grab a baking tray and some parchment paper for the drying process. Finally, a clean cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer will be crucial for squeezing out your homemade oil. Now for the simple extraction process. First, mash your ripe avocado flesh into a very smooth paste. Next, spread this paste thinly, about 1/2 inch thick, onto a parchment-lined tray. Allow it to dry indoors in a well-ventilated area for 3 to 5 days, stirring and respreading daily to ensure even drying. Once the paste is dark and dry, scoop it into a cheesecloth. Squeeze firmly to extract the precious, nutrient-rich oil into a clean bowl. Once your beautiful avocado oil is extracted, proper storage is key. Transfer it into a dark, airtight glass bottle. Keep it in a cool, dark place, or even refrigerate it to maximize its shelf life. Your homemade oil typically lasts for about 4 to 6 months when stored correctly. To use, simply apply a few drops to your scalp and hair ends 2 to 3 times a week. This natural treatment will deeply moisturize and add a beautiful shine to your hair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.